Welcome to the last video in the WTFX Forex for Beginners free series. At the end of this video and at the end of this series, you'll have learned everything concerning the basics of trading Forex. However, you will still need to learn how to analyze the markets to make proper trading decisions. And for this, I've got you covered. Go ahead on my YouTube channel and search for the Smart Money course series by WTFX likewise, or you go to my website www.wtfx.com and on the home page you click on free smart money course. At the end of that course, you should be able to understand how to better analyze the markets to make good trading decisions. Now, this smart money course is actually very simple and very straight to the point. Truth is, it doesn't have to be complicated for it to be Forex. And go ahead with the learning process. Practice everything you've learned, practice everything you're going to learn in the free smart money course as well, and feel free to share your feedback with me. And also make sure to join my free Telegram community where you get free trade ideas and follow-up materials to aid your success journey. I wish you the best. Let's delve in. Video, we're going to be looking at how to partial close a running trade. Now, partial closing is done by reducing your lot size in a running trade, which means lot size is the volume at which you are trading with. So you're basically reducing the amount of volume at which you have in a running position, and it is used to either keep some profits or cut some losses, which means when you reduce your lot size, you could probably use it to keep in some of the current profits the trade is already running, or keeping some of the current losses running in the trade. And partial closing is only applicable if you are using a lot size above 0.01 lot size, because we all know 0.01 micro lot size is the minimum lot size you could use to place any trade in the forex market. And then you can keep partial closing until your lot is reduced to 0.01 lot size, which means even if you are using one standard lot size, you could keep partial closing till you eventually have just 0.01 lot size. You can partial close in profit or in loss. And remember from the previous slide, partial closing can be used to either keep some profit or to reduce your running loss in the trade. So let's move on to our MT4 to see the practical of how to partial close the running trade. So the Euro USD is currently in a profit of about $996 Australian dollar, I guess. So what we can do to partial close is to come to where we have price and click on it, and then you right click and select close order. Now when the box opens, what we need to do is to reduce our lot size. So our lot size is currently 1.50. Let's reduce that to 0.50, and then what you do is you click close. So soon as you click close, click OK, what you realize is our lot size now has been reduced by 0.50 lots. However, we still have one standard lot running. So if you click on account history, what you can then see is we just recently closed 0.50, so we've protected some profits. So remember, partial closing can be used to keep some profits or to keep some loss. So in this case, Euro USD, we've used partial closing to keep some profits, and then we still have the position running. And remember, you can keep partial closing till you get to 0.01. So all you need to do is to right click, select close, and you keep reducing the lot size till it gets to 0.01. And that is simply how to partial close. Let's try partial closing on $CHF as well. So on $CHF, what you simply do as well is to right click, select close order, and then let's reduce this by say one standard lot, and then you select close. Okay, so clicking on history now, we see we've closed one standard lot on $CHF, which is $72.51. Clicking on trade, we see on the $CHF we still have 0.50 lot size running, and this is typically how to partial close.